Hi, good evening, everybody, and assalamu alaikum. So, today we are going to learn about correlate. What is correlate? Correlate is where you want to find the relationship between IV and DV. Okay, normally when you want to do the correlation, it means that you would like to answer the hypothesis of the study. Here you have the hypothesis of the study. H1, so you put there is a relationship between pattern and satisfaction, and there is a relationship between socializing and satisfaction, self-seeking and satisfaction, and information and satisfaction. So what is the objective of the study? So the objective will be to analyze the relationship between IV and DV that I put here. You can just make one objective for all the relationship. Okay, when you run the correlation, what can you find? The first one is a p-value, which is a significant value that is less than 0.05. And then the direction. This is the sign of our value. If it is positive, okay, listen to me. If it is positive, meaning that DV and IV moving together, it means that if, let's say, IV go up, DV will also go up. If negative, meaning that DV go down, but IV going up. So it moved to a different direction. And the next one is the strength of relationship. How strong is the relationship? So you also measure the R value. Maybe when I'm telling you now, you say you think that it didn't make sense. But please screenshot this one, and then you can refer to it later. Okay, and this is the reporting table that we are going to report towards the end of our class. So let's go to our SPSS. Oh, how to do it? Let's do it. What can you do is you need to analyze in SPSS, analyze, correlate, and bivariate. Okay, the arrangement is very, 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 very important. It started with DV, and then IV1, IV2, and IV3, and so on. If let's say you have 5 IV, so starting from IV1, IV2, IV3, and IV4. But DV is the first one. Why I'm saying so, I hope that you can do the experiment on yourself. Huh? So remember, this is our DV, IV1, IV2, IV3, and IV4. Okay, let's go to our data. Make sure you already calculate your mean, compute variable. And if let's say you are not, you are not sure how to compute variable, please refer to my previous video. Yeah, you can check compute variable. Okay, now let's go to analyze. Okay, let's go to analyze. Now go to correlate. Where is correlate and bivariate? Okay, so what you need to do here, let's do it together. Let's do it together. I just did it just now. So what is my DV? Is satisfaction. Okay, pattern is my IV1. Social is my IV2. And then self-seeking is my IV3. And information is my IV4. Okay, now let's check the option. Okay, you click means and standard deviation and cross product deviation and covariances. Okay, and then you can click continue. Okay, after you can click continue, okay, this is what you will find. Maybe you'll say, oh my god, this is so messy. So that's why what I'm doing is that I am copying the this table in your in Excel, so easy for me to explain. Now let's check. Okay, now your job is to look at the first column here. Okay, listen to me. Your job is to look at the first column here. All the values behind 1 you should delete. Okay, what is the meaning of 1? 1 meaning that satisfaction correlate with satisfaction, of course 100%, because you are correlate with yourself. And then pattern correlate with pattern, so we don't have to do it. But okay, as usual in SPSS, they'll give you a lot of numbers. So what you should look at first. The first one I told you in the slides, okay, I told you to look at the p-value, which should be 0.05. It is more, if it is more than 0.05, it means that there is not significant, so it means that no relationship between IV and DV. Let's check. The first one, satisfaction and pattern. Remember, this is H1. Okay, this is H1. Okay, let's make it bigger. This is H1. Okay, so First, look at the R. What is R here? Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, so make it small. R is 0.526. Okay, P is 0.000. Where is P? The word sick here. The word sick here. So this is H1. Okay, what does it mean? Look at the direction of the R. So it is positive, right? Also mean that it is a positive relationship. Significant. Okay, it has a relationship. So how to read that? Okay, how to read? Okay, remember this table that I gave to you earlier, 0.5. So it means that it is in the moderate relationship. So how you should read this? Okay, so this one is moderate. Okay, moderate relationship. Okay, so how should we read this section? It means that pattern has pattern has significant, positive, and moderate relationship with satisfaction. That's how to read the table. Okay, now let's check the hypothesis 2. So it means that your hypothesis is accepted. Okay, now let's check your hypothesis 2. Okay, let's check the R value. R equal to, okay, point 723. Okay, what about P? P equal to 0.000. What does it mean? 0.723. Okay, let's check here. 0.7. It has a strong relationship. Okay, now the strong relationship. What does it mean? It means that, okay, socializing has significant, okay, positive and strong relationship with satisfaction. When you want to read the data, just focus on the first column. So you will read here H1, H2, H3, and H4. So that's all. But before that, this is the reporting table that you need to do. You have mean and SC. Where to get that? It's here in the output table. Mean and SC. Just refer to that. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for spending your time with me. Okay. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.